Dear all, thank you so much to visit my channel here in this video. I am gonna explain you about the Dubai Road and Transport Authority. RT, a outside sitting area for cafe, coffee shop and restaurants. If you have a restaurant in or cafeteria and you want outside area sitting for your customers, this is the right place for you. I can help you about this. RTA mean Dubai Roads and Transport Authority, the take care of outside sitting areas. You must need to obtain a permit before to utilize outside space. To obtain a permit from DUABI Road and Transport. Authority issues permits for 1 year after then you need to renew it. These documents required to obtain a permit from Dubai Road and Transport Authority. Valid trade license, valid EJARI or tenancy contract, passport or ID of the owner. PDF format. Drawing to show the area including square meters. 2 site photos with wide angle and photos must be taken in the daylight. After submit all these documents, the RT. An inspector will visit the site physically if everything is fine. He will approve it, otherwise he will guide you to make modifications and resubmit your application. That's it. This is full process. Thanks for patience if need. T. A approval for your cafe or restaurant. Please feel free to contact me anytime. I will do my best to obtain permit as much fast possible. Once again, thanks, and my name is Iftikhar Ahmed and my contact is here +97 1554 618585.